Hey beauties, welcome back to Shakorina Bahabi. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this amazing mask using these two amazing fruits, pineapple and papaya. So stay tuned. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I am going to be doing a lot more of my videos in both of my languages, English and Tigrinya, so stay tuned. So the ingredients we're gonna need are papaya, pineapple, honey, and turmeric powder. You guys don't have to use 4 pieces of papaya or 4 pieces of pineapple. I just like making a big bunch of it, but you guys don't have to use it. You can use maybe 2 slices of papaya, 2 slices of pineapple. You can use any kind of honey you like. I'm using raw honey, but you guys can use any honey you want. And I'm using turmeric powder, which you guys can probably find at your supermarket. So let me tell you a little bit more about why I chose all these ingredients for this mask. If you don't know already, pineapple and papaya are filled with enzymes, and these enzymes actually eat the outer layer of our skin. So what that does is, so basically they have acids in them. Papaya has hydrotic acid, and that actually is an enzyme that lives inside of the papaya that will eat up the outer layer of our skin. So basically it will eat up dead skin cells, which will leave your skin more brighter and more clear and smoother. Same thing with pineapple. It also contains an enzyme that eats the outer layer of our skin as well, and it usually targets more of like dark spots, age spots, and wrinkles. So over time, if you use this mask, you will be seeing really good results. Another reason why I use turmeric, or the reason why I use turmeric powder, is because turmeric, if you don't know already, is filled with antioxidants and minerals, and turmeric actually helps people who have discoloration, hyperpigmentation, and it also helps with sunburn. So if you have like discoloration and caused by sunburn, it'll definitely help you in time, gradually even tones your skin. Honey, if you don't know already, which I think you guys all know, it helps with, it's an antibacterial, so it helps not build bacteria on our skin. And also it helps kind of like stick everything together when I was making the mask, so I also use that. It's kind of weird because this mask actually tastes pretty good. I tried it, so, and look, if it's safe enough to eat, that means it's safe enough to put on your skin. That's my motto. Okay, so yeah, so you're gonna leave this mask on your face for 10 minutes. After that, I washed my face with cold water because I like to close my pores, so I always wash my face with cold water. And you just apply whatever facial moisturizer you apply at night, and bam, you're done. So this mask, you can, if you have leftovers, you can store it in the fridge for about a week or 2. And I don't advise you guys using this mask more than 2 times a week because, like I said, they're enzymes. They are eating up your outer layer of your skin. You are exfoliating, so you don't want to use it too much. So twice a week is enough. Alright guys, I'm finished with my video. I hope you guys liked. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.